Mama Wiggles Fun with Tab presents Sound of F. This is Fun with Tab, and today we're going to learn the sound of the letter F. And it sounds like F. Can you say F? And so today, I want you to come with me because I'm going to the pharmacy. And I think it's spelled F-A-R-M-A-C-Y because it makes the F sound, as in pharmacy. So come along with me and let's go to the pharmacy because I need to pick up some medicine because I'm feeling like I have a real bad cough. Ooh, that sounds like it got an F sound too, cough. Let me see if I can spell cough. C-O-F-F. Yeah, I think I spelled cough correctly. So I'm going to the pharmacy to get some cough drops because I have a real bad cold. Oh, it came up. So let's go to the pharmacy. So I'm walking to the pharmacy and I'm getting some medicine. Yeah. Oh, I think I almost hit it. Pharmacy. Here's my pharmacy right here. Here it is. This is my pharmacy store. Wait a minute. Pharmacy don't start with the letter F, as in that's a PH. How did they get PH to make a pharmacy? What do you think? Why does pharmacy begins with the PH? That's strange. Oh, well, let me go inside and speak to my pharmacist. Now, pharmacist, that should start with F too, right? Well, hi, Mr. Bill. How you doing? I'm doing fine. What you in here for? I need some cough medicine. But before that, I noticed your building is pharmacy begins with a PH, but that doesn't make a F sound. F sound starts with the letter F. Well, some words have PH in front of it to make the F sound. Really? I didn't know that. Did you know that? Did you know that some of the words begin with a PH that make the F sound? Wow! Tell me more. Well, you know that the F sound could have many different spellings. Really? As in pharmacy. As in pharmacist. That's me. That's right. You're a pharmacist. He's a pharmacist. He makes sure that I get my medicine correctly. What else? Well, if you go down aisle 6 and look for your cough drops, you'll notice that it doesn't end with the letter F. Really? Let me go and find these cough drops. Wow, he's correct. Cough drops does not end with the letter F. It ends with GH. I wonder if GH also makes the F sound, as in cough. Wow, did you know that? Wow, the F only has one sound, but it can be spelled differently. It can end with a GH and it can begin with a PH. Wow, and they still make the F sound. Wow, this is great. I'm learning how to spell words now that have the F sound, but it has different letters. So I've learned that there are words that have the F sound, but that begins with a PH. Let's look at some. Dolphin, trophy, pharmacy, pharmacist. I also learned there are words that end with GH that have the F sound. Let's look at some. Cough, laugh, huff, I'm tough. Well, we learned a lot today, didn't we? And if you enjoyed today's episode, please share and subscribe to Fun, that begins with the F, Fun with Tab, where learning can be meaningful and fun. See you soon. Bye-bye.